Hamstring foam rolling. So with hamstring foam rolling, we've got the roller perpendicular to our body on the mat, and we're rolling out the back of our upper thigh, or the back of our upper leg. So it's pretty much all soft tissue to work with back there, so you can just go all the way from the backs of your knees all the way up to your butt and back down, using your hands to push it off the ground, prop you along. Try to keep your shoulders fairly in check here. We generally try not to do too much strength work with our elbows behind our shoulders there. It creates impingements. So when you're in this position, it's kind of the only way to do this. Just really try to be aware of your shoulder posture. Do what you can to try and keep your chest propped out a little bit, but it's not too much pressure, and it's a functional motion that you sometimes have to do. So it's okay. As long as you're not causing yourself any pain up there. If that's the case, stop. Approach rolling or massaging this muscle in a different way. Don't be pushing through sharp shooting pain or anything in your shoulders just to try and get your hamstrings. So you're just going back and forth, trying to keep the muscle relaxed as you roll it. So just letting your feet sort of drag along here. Or if you want, you can even try to extend your knees using the quads to try and turn off the hamstring. So if you use the quad to activate the quad and straighten your legs, so then you can kind of cue the hamstring to relax and release. It stretches it out, or you can just let your feet stay relaxed and drag along the floor as you do this. That there is your hamstring foam rolling.